Hi y'all, Carrie D here, host of Coffee with Carrie Homeschool podcast and the author of Just Breathe and Take a Sip of Coffee. I am doing 20 days of 20 homeschool hacks. So today is homeschool hack number 3. That is to do some serious meal prep. All right. So get yourself in the kitchen at least once a week or maybe even once a month if that's all you can handle, and crank out a bunch of dinners and easy lunches and breakfast burritos that you can roll up in tin foil and put them in the freezer, or create your own version of an egg McMuffin and again roll those up in aluminum foil, put them in a Ziploc bag and freeze them. Now, if you don't have time to set aside one day a week or one day a month to just cook a bunch of your favorite foods and put them in the freezer, then when you are cooking, so let's say it's Monday and you're making some lasagna, I always make 2. So whenever I'm cooking dinner for the family, if it's possible and it's something that is freezer friendly, I will make 2 batches of it and I'll put 1 batch in the freezer. The other thing is whenever I'm cooking and I need to chop up some onions and some peppers and carrots maybe, I don't just chop up what I need for that meal. I chop up tons of onions and tons of carrots and tons of celery and a bunch of seasoning, and I put them in Ziploc bags and I put them in the refrigerator for the week. So the next time I come to the kitchen and I'm in a hurry and I'm trying to get some dinner cooked for the family, all of my seasoning is already chopped. So all I have to do is take it out and put it in what I'm cooking. And it's also great for crock pot stuff and for making soups. So when you're just throwing stuff together, I like to call it my pantry and leftover soup, everything's already chopped, so it's one less thing that you have to do, you busy homeschool moms. Now you have a great day.